Let's see the principle behind the disc brake system. The brake system works based on the Pascal's law. The law states that pressure exerted anywhere in a contained incompressible fluid is distributed equally in all directions throughout the fluid. Let's make it simple. Consider two cylinders with pistons, connected each other, and filled with incompressible fluid. The mathematical relation is as follows. F1, applied force on left piston. F2, received force at right piston. A1 and A2 are surface areas of both pistons. P1 and P2 are pressure experienced by both pistons. Pressure can be stated as force experienced per area. So P1 equals F1 by A1. And P2 equals F2 by A2. According to Pascal's law, pressure on both pistons are equal, which gives us P1 equals P2. So, when force is applied to the left piston, the fluid will transmit the force to the right piston surface. But it will be a factor of the ratio of two piston surfaces. This concludes that, with a small force F1 at left piston, will give a higher force F2 at right piston, provided if A2 is greater than A1. With this, the left piston can act at the pedal side, and the right piston can act at the wheel side, transferring energy from pedal to the brakes. Now we know the theory, let's see how this works in real. Let's see the exploded view of a car wheel, and the parts involved. The wheel hub assembly, the disc brake rotor, the brake caliper assembly, the wheel, and the lug nuts. The wheel hub assembly holds the wheel and the disc rotor, and the bearing inside it allows their smooth rotation.